We had traveled for 11 hours from the mainland to Hawaii for our Duke's Hula Pie. We'd even begun to hallucinate about hula pie. But then it arrived.
There's your nut. The nuts are on top, Annika. Mom, you're
What do
gonna
you
have
think
one,
of it,
right?
Nicholas?
Here. I got. Yeah. Just
How is that a thumbs up? Annika and Aiden, what do you guys think of hula pie?
You like it? Is it good?
You love
Wait,
it,
is the
Aiden?
ice cream macadamia nut?
Aiden, did you get some of the Oreo crust already?
But they can't duplicate you, 'cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong.
30 seconds later and our hula pie is gone.
I'm addicted like it's
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, do I dee da dee da dee da. Do what, do da dee da do da dee da. Do what, do da dee da do da. What you gonna do with that dessert?